A popular Nollywood actress, the person of Wumi Toriola, has cried out for help over her missing wig. The Yoruba star revealed that she is in pain at the moment as she can't find the bob wig she used in transitional in her latest movie. Wumi stated that she was not joking or chasing clouds and was in dire need of the wig as it served as evidence. She appealed to whosoever stole the wig on set to return it as she is tired of explaining. She also said, "I am in pain at the moment. I can't find the bob wig. I transitioned and evidence is lost right in my very eyes. Please, whosoever stole the wig on set, please return. Aside from that, it is evidence. Not sure you can use it. As it's now very popular, please return my wig. There is no cap, no cloth, but please, I am tired of explaining. I want my bob wig. Please, if you mistakenly picked it, kindly help return it. The loss of a wig in this economic is not a joke. Please help." Odunlade TV reported on Tuesday that Wumi Toriola trended on social media after a video of her changing wigs while acting in the same scene made rounds online. In the viral clip, Wumi Toriola was seen confronting her partner when the unexpected happened. The movie star's wig was changed while she was still acting in the same scene. The video sparked mixed reaction as many mocked the continuing manager and director for the error, while others poked fun at the actress. Speaking up for her, Mide Martins and her husband, Hafiz Owo, who were the producers of the movie, tendered a deep apology to Wumi Toriola. The couple noted that how it was an expected error from the production crew at the editing stage. Wumi Toriola, on her part, had made humor of the situation as she called for prayers from her friends. The movie star questioned if an autopsy shows if social media dragging can kill a person. In other news, Wumi Toriola had bemoaned over her fluctuating weight. The movie star, while sharing a plus-size photo, noted how some days she appears fat, which leave her embarrassed, and on other days looks snatched. According to her, some days she looks 10 years older than her age, and other days she looks 10 years younger. Despite it all, she remains grateful. Thanks for being part of Odunlade TV today. Go to the comment section and contribute, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share our video to your loved ones.